Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share some mail that I've received, and so let's just get into it. But look at how cute. I'm not going to show the fronts because it has the sender's information, but she's added that cute washi, and let's see, there's a cute envelope that just tucks in that heart. It's cute. Cute, cute. Oh my goodness. And look, she has gifted a whole bunch of these foamy hearts. And, oh, that's a coffee cup. So I guess we do open the whole envelope. Sorry if I'm off. Oh yeah, I like this. This is great. But look at how cute. That coffee cup, heart you a latte, and then the cute foamy stickers. Thank you so much. And this is from Maria Reyes. She is a new crafty friend. I've been in a couple collabs with her, I believe. But yeah, thank you so much, Maria, for thinking of me. Thank you. And so our next mail comes from, check this out. Oh, look at this shaker. It's a Valentine's card and hugs. It's from Mary Ellen. Thank you, girl. Hi, Mary Ellen. And she's got her little personalized sticker on the back. How cute is this card? Thank you so much for thinking of me. And then we have another mail. And this is from Kim, I believe. Yes. And I want to say it's Kim's Inspired Life here on YouTube. But I believe Kim made this envelope too out of a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. It's beautiful. Oh, look. And she put this little sticker banner on the inside. So cute. Oh my gosh, girl. And she's mailed me some stuff. Oh, thank you. How cute. So look at how lovely this big envelope is that she made. Thank you. Look at how cute these are. Oh, so cute. They're Mickey rubber bands. Oh, I love them. Thank you. She knows I love Disney. Look at her cut aparts that she shared. Oh my gosh, look at this tag that she shared. How cute. It has a little pocket. This is so cute. So cute. Aw, thank you, Kim. This is pretty. She used a stitch die. She added some stickers. Great idea. Here's some more cutouts. Ooh, and these pretty foil papers. I love stickers, hearts. I like adding them to little projects. Oh my gosh, look at this. Did you make this? I wonder if she backed it on this paper or if it came like that. But it's a cute little like Disney themed calendar that I can have on my desk. I could add it to my planner. Look at how cute this is. Love this paper. Oh, and then she added more of this. Oh, thank you so much, Kim. I appreciate it. Thank you for thinking of me. And then this here is from Sonia Mac. Sonia Mac. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. This is cute. Wow, look at this. It has a pocket. This nice big sturdy backing. There's a gusset that makes the pocket. This is so beautiful. There's a rosette on the front with this gold thread. And then she has a little shaker on the front of it with this foil heart and some gemmies. Oh wow, she's added some glitter mix here. Oh, I love those colors. It matches so beautiful. Oh, this is so pretty. Thank you so much. There's a card. Look at these beautiful flowers. And the bag topper. This is a cute little clothespin. Oh, and there's some tags. Oh, look at how cute that is. So cute. Oh, this is beautiful. And then here's the card, but look at that. Such a great idea. Love it. I could even add a hole, put it on my wall, store some supplies possibly in there. Thank you so much. How cute is this envelope? And it says, hello, friend. Beautiful. Look at the butterfly. It's layered up. The gemmies. Oh, she's just thanking me for entering in her recent challenge she had on YouTube here. Thank you so much, Sonia. So I hope you guys are all having a crafty day. Thank you so much for thinking of me, ladies, and sending goodies my way. I so appreciate it. I love these flowers, the stickers, the calendar, these cups. Thank you so much. This card is beautiful. And until my next video, you can find more videos here. Shakas.